Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of portable printing with the best small Canon printer out there, the Canon IV2 Mini Photo Printer. Compact, convenient, and bursting with features, the Canon IV2 is a game-changer for anyone looking to print photos on the go. Let's delve into why this little powerhouse is making waves. First off, let's talk about the basics. The Canon IV2 Mini Photo Printer is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it the perfect companion for your adventures. But don't let its size fool you. This printer packs a punch. With its seamless Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with both iOS and Android devices, printing your favorite memories has never been easier. Simply download the Canon Mini Print app, connect your smartphone, and let the magic happen. Now, onto the standout feature of the Canon IV2, its Zinc Zero Ink technology. Say goodbye to messy ink cartridges, because this printer utilizes colorful dye-based crystals embedded inside the paper for vibrant, smudge-proof prints. Now, let's compare the Canon IV2 to similar products on the market. With its superior print quality, hassle-free Zinc technology, and enhanced connectivity features, the IV2 stands out as a top contender in the portable printing arena. In conclusion, the Canon IV2 Mini Photo Printer is not just a printer, it's a gateway to turning your memories into tangible treasures. With its compact size, exceptional print quality, and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder why this little gem is receiving rave reviews. That wraps up our review of the Canon IV2 Mini Photo Printer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy printing!